Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in United Airlines account. So if you also want to log into your United Airlines account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.united.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of United Airlines. If you look at the top right corner, you can see several options over here. You can also find the option for profile icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of box will pop up. Here you'll have to enter your email address. Click on the email address box. Now provide your email address associated with your United Airlines account. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Or instead of providing the email address, you can also log in with phone number. Now you'll have to provide your password. Click on this box, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget MileagePlus password. And if you want the browser to remember you, check on the box remember me and then click on the option sign in. You can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into United Airlines account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.